Today I'll show you how to solve this division problem with just like fraction. So I'll show you how. It's an equal sign, and you need to find out this mixed number fraction into an abnormally fraction. So you need to change this. This is so simple to change it. So 7 times 1 is 7, and you just need to add 1. So it will be 8 and 7. And you need to just add division sign right there, which is 5. And if you want to divide the fraction, you need to add 1 here. But you should change to this multiplication sign, and you need to swap this to upside down. So I'll show you how to do it. So 8 and 7 multiply by 5 and 1, but I said so you need to swap this to upside down, so it will be 1 and 5. And you just need to multiply this too. 8 times 1 is 8, and 7 times 5 is 35. So, and the answer will be 35. So the answer will be 35. I hope you guys learn how to divide the mixed number fraction. So I'll see you guys next video. Bye.